Medyo kag... Ako lang dyan.
My name is Gabriel Luis Aguila, 13 years old, from the Rosario Manal, Iriga City!
Model number 3.
My name is Melina Rachel Novaresio, representing Lourdes!
Model number 4.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Yurika Lauraya Nishimura, 16, and I'm proud to represent Barangay Antipolo!
And now, model number 5.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Francie Marie. I'm 13 years old, representing Barangay Lourdes!
Model number 6.
Embrace uniqueness of beautiful ladies tonight and let's shine on stage. Beauty is not
Sige, nakita natin. Tingnan.
beauty is not just about the face, but the way you carry yourself. A pleasant evening, everyone. I am Antoinette Ramizares Gomez, 18, representing Barangay San Nicolay.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, please give